Today I'm going to show you the one starting mistake almost every driver makes and how it's slowly killing your engine. Most people jump in, crank the engine, and drive off immediately. But that habit causes unnecessary wear and can shorten the life of your engine. If you immediately rev or drive hard, those parts are rubbing almost dry, especially in cold weather when oil flows slower. This leads to faster wear and costly repairs. Section 1. What happens when you start a car? When you turn that key or push the button, your starter motor engages and your engine begins cranking. But at that exact moment, your engine's oil is still sitting in the oil pan. It takes a few seconds for the oil pump to circulate oil up through the engine and coat moving parts. Section 2. The wrong way to start. The big mistake? People jump into the car, crank it up, and immediately rev the engine or throw it into gear. This is especially bad in cold weather. Cold oil is thicker and flows slower, meaning it takes even longer to protect engine parts. Another mistake is starting and shutting off quickly, like moving your car just a few feet and turning it off. That creates condensation inside the engine and exhaust. Section 3. The right way to start. Here's what you should do instead. Step 1. Insert the key or push start and let the dashboard lights come on for a second before cranking. This lets your fuel pump prime. Step 2. Start the car and let it idle for at least 30 seconds, up to a minute if it's very cold, to allow the oil to circulate. Step 3. Avoid revving the engine immediately after starting. Drive gently for the first few minutes, so everything reaches proper temperature gradually. Section 4. Extra tips. Use the correct viscosity oil for your climate. Keep your battery healthy. Weak batteries strain the starter. Regularly change your oil and filters. In very cold climates, consider a block heater to warm the engine before starting. And that's it. Stop starting your car the wrong way. Give it those few seconds it needs, and you'll save thousands on repairs down the road. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Driven to Repair,